So this is a new Shark tabletop high velocity FA150 fan. It's one of the nicest fans I've ever come across. It's quite compact, as you can see, but because it's deep in the body and the fan blades are long, it shifts an awful lot of air. So even when you can hardly hear it, even right across the other side of the room, you can still feel that breeze. And I've tried sleeping with it on the lowest setting, and I can't hardly hear it. I really can't. I mean, I've got quite good hearing, but I really can't hear it. But at the same time, when you put it on high, it really goes, and then you can hear it, and then it really will stir some air for you. You can change the velocity on there. You can change how much it oscillates on here as well, and you get feedback here on the control. There's a little magnetized remote control that pops on the back there as well, and it's got a couple of additional settings on there as well. So if you use these settings, it will go even lower in case you're sensitive to the noise when you're sleeping, and even higher. So that's quite useful, and it just pops back into a little magnetized space on the back there. And then I think the pièce de resistance, as you might say, is that here's the power cord, unplug it, still carries on working. So if you want to take it out in the garden, not in the rain, or if you want to use it in a room where there's no available electric feed or it's not handy, still goes. And on some of the lower settings, it will last 24 hours. So yeah, it's a really nice fan.